In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn your Android as a webcam for your PC. Yeah, the first application, DriveCam, is a great tool that lets you use a cell phone as a webcam for your PC. It's really easy to use and it's work with Skype, Google Hangout, and other video chats applications overall on the internet. One of the best thing about DriveCam is that it is very easy to set up. All you need is an Android phone and a computer with an internet connection. Once you have installed the app on your phone, all you need to do is connect your phone to your computer via USB or Wi-Fi and follow the instructions on the screen. Here, let me guide you further on video. The first you need to search the DriveCam on a Google and download it. Link is in the description, so you can get over there and download the DriveCam for your PC. Once you download for your PC, I have already downloaded, just open the application. Now here you will get the interface, the Wi-Fi, the USB, and the another one, create a server, etc. But anyways, we are going here with the USB because on the USB you will not get any delay with your video. But if you have a good internet, you can also use the Wi-Fi option as well. Now here you will not get the Android option. If you have connected your Android, still you will not get here the Android option until you need to set up your Android. So here I'm gonna show you how to set it up. Okay, now we are on Android. Now simply we need to download the DriveCam on mobile. So simply go into the Play Store or any browser that you have and then search for DriveCam. Here I'm searching for DriveCam and then click on search. Just download it. Now I have already downloaded, but I did disable. Now I just enabled and it's working. But in your case, you will see here the download option. Just download it and then open it. The interface look like this, but we don't need the interface right now. We need to enable some further settings in your Android, in my Android. So put the USB jack in your mobile and then go into the settings. Now go into the phone settings. I'm using Infinix, so Infinix settings are kind of different. Now here you will see a build number. Just tab on it 6 or 7 times. Your developer mode will be enabled. Now go into the system and you will see here the developer option. Now we need to find here the USB debugging option. Here is it. It's already enabled, but in your case you need to enable this and then open the DriveCam application on your mobile. Now let's move on the PC and the further settings we need to do on the PC. So let's move on the PC. Okay, now we are here and the interface is still stuck over there. Now simply we need to refresh the connection. Just click on the connection and it will automatically refresh for you, and your phone will be connected over through USB. Now we have a connection over USB, you can see here, and whenever I just click on the start, now my webcam is connected. You can use it on Discord, on Skype, on everywhere. Just select, suppose if you are using on Discord, just go into the Discord webcam settings and select the DriveCam, and that's it. Now whenever you start like this, you can also use at that time on Discord, on Skype, on everywhere on PC. So this is the easiest method, guys. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section right now. Just peace out.